Hey for it, YouTube! Welcome once again to my English speaking channel. It's 9 weeks left for the half marathon, and well, as you can see, I'm not in the street, I'm not running, I'm not with the GoPro. That's because I'm in Spain. Well, I'm running also in Spain, but I came back here. I came back home for a week because I don't know if you didn't know that, but I'm Spanish. The trainings are going quite good. I was running today 16 kilometers and wow, it was a bit tough in the end, but actually I was quite happy about that. And well, one of the hardest things this week about the trainings, it's been that, well, in Lithuania I was training at 5 degrees, I was training at the temperature of 5 Celsius degrees or 5 degrees Celsius, and here in Spain I'm training at 23. And well, that's such a big difference because in Lithuania I was with my long tights and then with windstopper and everything, and still I was a bit cold, and here it was like, my god, I was sweating so much. Anyway, so today I got a new thing. Those things here, those are for the calves. They're like compressors, and I heard that they're quite good for training because well, they really compress your calf. And from my point of view, there's like 2 problems when you're running that you have to face. Well, actually 3. Well, actually there's like many problems, but main 3. It's dehydration. You have to drink lots of water, and not only at the beginning but also while running. And second one, it's about the pace. Like sometimes you feel like, oh my god, I cannot breathe anymore, so then you should like slow down a bit your pace. And the third problem is the legs, like legs, and I'm talking about thighs, I'm talking about knees, and I'm talking about calves, because when you're running for a long distance, so then your legs, they start to be like painful, you know, so this is what you should take care about. And wow, I really felt the difference actually. At the beginning it was quite uncomfortable because I was running, it's like, what the heck is this, you know, it was pressing so much my leg, but after like 5 kilometers running, it went all good. And well, I'm quite happy because soon there's gonna be a new race. I'm gonna leave you here the post on my blog where I explain about this. And well, actually I'm gonna put the link here, and I'm gonna run a trail run 10 kilometers through the woods in Lithuania, back in Lithuania. And I don't know, I think it's gonna be quite fun. It's 10 kilometers, not a tough one, but I don't know, I will probably film it and then show it to you guys. And that's mainly everything. Thank you for being here and watching this video, and see you next week with more stuff and more races and blah blah blah. Okay, see you guys.